Good afternoon, respected principal ma'am, teachers, and all my dear friends. I am Ashutosh Kumar Singh, study in Birla International School, Rosera in class 7. Firstly, I wish you Happy Global Parents Day. Parents are the backbone of our life. They are always there to encourage us and put selfless love and effort to raise us. Parents take up a lot of difficulties to make our life happy and comfortable. Therefore, the United Nations has dedicated the day of the June 1st as the Global Parent Day. The day is to celebrate and recognize our parents' efforts and sacrifices to give us a better life. Our parents suffers from a lot of hardness to protect us from the reality of virtual life. As we grow up, we get busy in our jobs, career, personal, and social life, which is the one reason we ignore our parents. It can be difficult for them to spend their days in loneliness with kids around. Thank you.